wait a minute, what if we can actually turn this around and reverse your diabetes, maybe reduce your medication doses, maybe get off them altogether?
And in fact, I would even consider you the Michael Jordan of veganism.
Fruits and vegetables did not cause your diabetes.
How do we take a person who is often meat-loving and try to transition them towards a healthier, whole food, plant-based diet? You have called meat the next tobacco. What do you mean by this?
But your average American last year consumed 37 pounds of cheese.
Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, your preventative cardiologist from New York, and welcome to On Call with Dr. Dave, where I speak to some of the most influential people in the worlds of fitness, nutrition, and of course, medicine. My goal here is to promote heart-healthy habits and prevent heart disease. Today's guest, Dr. Neal Barnard, is a physician, New York Times bestselling author, researcher, and founding president of the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. Dr. Barnard is a practicing vegan and a vocal proponent for a plant-based diet.
I want us to also think about the broad range of conditions that can get better that you didn't expect. The patient came in because their cholesterol was high. And you change their diet and their cholesterol comes down a lot. And they also lose weight and their diabetes gets better and their blood pressure gets better. But they'll say to you, you know, it's funny, I had this eczema and it's like, I don't know why, it's like, that's gone. And my wife's doing this with me and her asthma is gone now. What's that about? And we started looking at hormonal conditions. Because in the same way as you can change your cholesterol level, you can also change your estrogen level, which is surprising to many women. Who would have thought that? And so they discover their menstrual pains go away, or their endometriosis improves or goes away. We've had people who were infertile suddenly becoming pregnant because their out of balance hormones get back into balance. And for me, that was something I stumbled into completely by accident. And anyway, my point is that it's very exciting to see not just how much a person can improve the condition they came in to get help for, but all the other things that they didn't expect were going to change.